Today we will discuss synthetic reagent diazomethane and their applications. In this, we will learn introduction, preparation, and applications of diazomethane. Diazomethane, it is a gaseous state in room temperature, and it have yellow color, and it is poisonous substance. This is information of diazomethane. Preparation of diazomethane. Diazomethane can be prepared by Pechmann's method. In this method, N-methyl urethane, here N-methyl urethane reacting with base potassium hydroxide, there is the formation of diazomethane and decarboxylation can be done here. This is the best method of preparation of diazomethane. Okay, this is the structure of the diazomethane. Here the N2, the oxidation state of the nitrogen is the 3, valency of the nitrogen is the 3. This one is the stable structure of the diazomethane. Here carbon carrying negative charge and this nitrogen carrying positive charge. Next point is the applications of diazomethane. First application is methylation. In this reaction, diazomethane acts as a base. Here one of the example is here. HCl reacting with diazomethane. This diazomethane acts as a base and abstract proton from this HCl and forms methyl chloride, and nitrogen gas can be evolved out, which one is stable. Here mechanism of this reaction is given. This diazomethane acts as a base. Here carbon having negative charge, abstract proton and converted into this compound. This N2 can be this Cl minus can be attack on this CH3 and N2 can be evolved out, and we got the stable structure CH3Cl methyl chloride. This is the examples. This is phenol reacting with diazomethane forms. This is anisole. In this reaction, diazomethane acts as a base, and this is methylation reaction. Here, carboxylic benzoic acid reacting with diazomethane forms. This H can be replaced by CH3 group. This application also. Here is the example of alcohol. Here, reaction can be carried out in presence of Levy's base BF3, because this H is not more acidic to became more acidic to this H. Here Levy's acid can be used, then the methylation reaction can be done. Next application of diazomethane is homologation. Here diazomethane acts as a nucleophile. One of the example here, this is the example of ketone. Here diazomethane acts as a nucleophile and acts on this carbon. The double bond O can be converted into single bond O. This oxygen carrying negative charge. Here possibilities of two products. One product is this O directly attack on this CH2, then this N2 can be evolved out. This product form. here 3-membered ring epoxide. Here epoxide can be formed. 3-membered ring epoxide formed. This is the minor product because this is, structure is not stable. Not stable. Second application, second possibility is this. This O minus can be use electron to this carbon and this R group migrate to this CH2 group and N2 can be evolved out. And we got that product. That product is the major product because this product is the stable product. Here migration of group, which group we can migrate? The more donating group we can migrate here. Examples of homologation, and this reaction is called as homologation reaction. Example of homologation reaction is here. This 6-membered ring can be converted into 7-membered ring. Here CH2 can be added into this reaction. This example is the homologation reactions. Next, another example is here. Here the CH2 group can be, which group will migrate? Then here possibility is that group is migrated.